In carrier aviation, safety is everything. Lives are on the line, from hours before takeoff to landing and everywhere in between. Following a standardized protocol is essential to maintaining the well-being of both man and machine. Corporations worldwide are tapping into this advanced training, increasing productivity while decreasing accidents. They're turning to Check 6, a revolutionary, safety-focused training organization.
Check 6 it's actually a tactical term used in fighter aviation. It's a clock code. In front of you is your 12 o'clock, behind you is your 6 o'clock. The most vulnerable area in your aircraft is your 6 o'clock. It's what you don't typically see.
As the most decorated Navy fighter pilot since Vietnam, Brian Brurud leads the Check 6 team, an accomplished team of TOPGUN naval aviators, Navy SEALs, astronauts, and special operations experts. Together, Check 6 brings a level of safety assurance and hazard awareness to a variety of industries.
Anything with a budget and a deadline, it would be applicable to. Medical field, anything like that that refines the human element, taking simplicity and a little bit of discipline and some standardization from areas that have already proven the benefits of these things as the only way of conducting operations to determine a predictable outcome. It works everywhere.
Standardization. Everyone's got to be on the same sheet of music, especially when things come crumbling down. Everyone needs to know and count on what the guy around them is doing.
The practice is critical in high-risk environments. The similarities between aircraft carriers and offshore oil rig operations are remarkable. Large crews on each, with high turnover every few months. Each carries out a detailed, stressful, round-the-clock job. Without proper training, it can be a risky business.
Kind of mitigate all the risks that are going to happen because we're very deliberate about what we're doing.
With custom-designed training curriculums and on-site consultation and implementation, Check 6 brings an unparalleled culture of accountability to industry, instilling an environment of safety awareness and calculated, deliberate risk assessment.
It is a culture change. You're not just dotting I's and crossing T's. What you're doing is forming behavioral attitudes about not only why it's important, but why it makes a difference.
Check 6 provides intensive training on plan-based execution, developing a detailed plan with a specific outcome in mind. Brief the plan. Who needs to do what, when, with what resources? Execute the plan with cross-checks, mutual support, and oversight. Then debrief the plan. What worked? What didn't? How can we improve?
0 incidents. That's the goal.
Check 6 also provides simulator-based training, incorporating real-world situations and performance tracking interactive courseware. The curriculum can even self-adjust to better fit a user's proficiency. The simulators provide realistic feedback, so when workers face real challenges, the correct response is second nature, reducing the chances for error.
You would not want to be on an oil rig for the first time and see that thing explode or see the pressures go out of whack or you see gauges that aren't looking good. You'd hopefully have gone through the sim multiple times, so then it just is, everyone calm down, let's take a deep breath. Who do I need to talk to? Who needs to be doing what?
The thing that Check 6 brings to the table is they bring credentials that no other company that out there right now can bring to the table. And they teach a leadership in a style that you can then have them coach and lead the guys on a continuous basis, and you can have them come back when you start having changes in your numbers or your statistics.
In fact, on rigs where Check 6 protocols have been implemented, operators experienced greater than a 50% reduction in incidents and reports.
Thick brown oil is washing up along 100 miles of Louisiana's coastline.
It was the worst nightmare that I could possibly envision. The tragic loss of life, the 2 worst possible outcomes in the oil industry and drilling in deep water would be the loss of a rig, and subsequent to that would be the environmental consequence as well as the challenge of an uncontrolled discharge.
The crew of Check 6 believes implementation of the company's protocols can lead to increased production, enhanced revenue, and most importantly, lives saved.
You're going to see safety improve, efficiency improve, costs are going to go down, and more moms and dads get to go home at the end of their 2-week hitch than I think have been in the past.
When you see others operate to a lesser standard, it's natural for you to go, come on, let me show you how this works. And it's really not that difficult. And it's incredibly rewarding for all involved.
Top Gun naval aviators, Navy SEALs, astronauts, and special operations experts, utilizing advanced training techniques, customized protocols, and plan-based execution, delivering a new culture of workplace excellence and safety for you. We're Check 6.